What's going on there, YouTube? Just wanted to give you a quick video here today. A lot of you have requested a video regarding the Cascade Polar SE baby tank. I don't know if I said it in the right order, but it is what it is. But today I just want to do a short little vid here. You guys have been asking since my last one with the Cascade Baby tank, not the SE, but the baby that comes on the Armor Pro, when I put the RBA from the smok tfv12 baby prints into it, if it'll fit in here. And I'm here to tell you that it does, because I currently have it in here right now. Let's go ahead and take a quick toke. So just kind of go over a few pros with it. For one, yes, you do have an RBA that fits in this, which is amazing. So if you guys have this tank, the Cascade Baby SE, then yes, the RBA will fit. The reason why it fits is because the base plate, for one, is the same as the Armor Pro, so you can actually interchange those two. Two, the internal layout from the chimney down to where it presses on with the seal over the coil is identical. The spacing, the diameter of it, everything is the same. The only differences between the tanks is how it's shaped. That's it. You got more capacity in this. That's about it, guys. Other than that, it does fit. I'm testing it out right now here for you. It has great flavor. It is good. It is good. I'm happy with it, you know, because I got more capacity to hold more juice. The other one was good too, but I like this because I can hold more juice, and it looks good and green, don't you think? Anyways, drawbacks of this RBA here, okay? This is the RBA. It is the V12 Baby Prince RBA, not the tfv12 Baby Beast. That RBA is different, okay? Their wicking channels on that RBA is below the lip that blocks the airflow. So when you put the RBA and screw it into the base of this Vaporesso tank, it's gonna sit below. The wicking ports are gonna sit below inside your air port in your air channel, so it's not gonna wick your cotton. Two, the Baby Beast tfv12 Baby Beast RBA is too tall, so you're not going to be able to screw the cap back on for this tank or on the Armor Pro tank, the Cascade Baby. So it's not going to work. A lot of people have been asking. I just want to clear that up. I've tried. Trust me, I have one in my drawer. I've tried. So I bought this because I had a tfv12 Baby Beast. Now you got me saying that, guys. tfv12 Baby Prince, and I had to buy me an RBA for it. I just didn't like that tank, so I ended up selling it to a buddy of mine that needed a new tank. So I kept the RBA. That's how I found out it fit in the Cascade Baby. And then when I got my Polar kit, it was a good opportunity to go ahead and let you guys know that it fits in the Cascade Baby SE tank. So you're not going to be able to put big builds in it. It is a small RBA. It is not a dual post RBA or anything like that. It is a very small RBA, so I had to put 2mm build in it. I got Clapton coils in it at 2mm 5 rep. Okay, and it's putting me at, I'm at about 60 watts. 60 watts at about 0.29, 0.28. Okay, and it's great. It's perfect flavor. You can still chuck some clouds with this thing, but you're very limited on the builds you can put in it. You can't put huge coils in it. I tried to put some aliens in it. I got like 2 wraps, and it put the ohms so low. Like, this thing is capable of going into like bypass mode and almost like mechanical mod status, but I don't like vaping like that. If I wanted to do that, I'd just go buy a mechanical mod. But I just wanted to keep you guys up to date with that, let you guys know that it is possible. It is available for you guys. And that is the type of RBA you want to get, okay? The tfv12 Baby Prince RBA. Don't forget it if you have the Cascade Baby SE tank. See you later.